Okay, BizInfo kids, let's make a Typing Quest account. So I'm here at the blog and I click on my name and then we'll go straight to BizInfo and drop down the window and click for the website. All right, so this is the first time you've been to Typing Quest, and you just scroll right down. You'll need to make sure it says Skyview, click User. You will type in your PowerSchool information as well as make sure you have the correct class period. Use your PowerSchool username and password. Type in your name and then click Create User. Keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page and that will take you directly to Typing Quest. And then you continue from there. I would bookmark this website by clicking the star so that you can go directly to Typing Quest and complete your assignment. So first thing you do, click I am a new user and then continue from there. Make sure to select the correct period number, which is keyboarding period 1, and everything else is straightforward from there. If you have any questions, please email me.